Hey there, educators! Today let's dive into some essential lab equipment you need to know. First up, the graduated cylinder. This handy tool measures liquid volumes accurately to the nearest milliliter, perfect for precise experiments. Next, the beaker. It holds liquids and performs rough volume measurements. It's versatile and a staple in any lab. For those precise volumes, we have the Burette. Typically used in titrations, it ensures you get just the right amount of liquid. Need to transfer small amounts of liquid with high precision. Use a pipette. It's all about accuracy in the details. Measuring temperature, grab a thermometer. Whether it's Celsius or Kelvin, temperature control is crucial. To measure mass, the balance is essential. It ensures your measurements are spot on. Want to magnify small objects for detailed observation? You need a microscope. Discover the unseen world. And for measuring the intensity of light absorbed by a sample, the spectrophotometer is your go-to. It's all about light and color. Now let's talk units. Length is measured in meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Mass in kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Volume in liters and milliliters. Temperature in Celsius and Kelvin. Time in seconds, minutes, and hours. Electric current in amperes. And the amount of substance in moles. Remember, ensuring measurements are taken carefully and consistently minimizes error. Use the appropriate tools for the type and scale of measurement. Record measurements accurately and precisely. Accuracy is how close a measurement is to the true value, while precision is how consistent repeated measurements are. And there you have it, a quick guide to essential lab equipment. Happy experimenting! Thanks for watching.